तो स्वागत है आपका हमारे YouTube चैनल पे। और मैं आज जा रहा हूँ हरियाणा के इकलौते हिल स्टेशन मोरनी हिल पे। लेकिन उससे पहले हम जाएंगे चंडीगढ़। चंडीगढ़ में थोड़ा सा मुझे कुछ काम है, उसके बाद हम सीधा निकलेंगे मोरनी हिल्स के लिए। तो जब तक हम चंडीगढ़ जा रहे हैं तो आप एंजॉय कीजिए चंडीगढ़ की ये राइड्स।
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
और इस तरफ है सेक्टर 35 जहाँ पर आपको रेस्टोरेंट, होटल
lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and
और ये है सेक्टर 22 की मोबाइल मार्केट। आपको यहाँ पर मोबाइल, लैपटॉप और कैसे यहाँ पर
best friend for 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. They gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell, stared at death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me through. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend.
और ये है सेक्टर 22 की शास्त्री मार्केट। यहाँ पर आपको बहुत ही सस्ते कपड़े और जूते जो कि आप सामान लेना चाहिए।
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, it's so cold outside, break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand.
और ये है सामने यमुनानगर, सहारनपुर और देहरादून हाईवे।
I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.